Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download SESUX mobile application on your iPhone. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open your App Store. In the search box, type in SESUX and search. Look for SESUX mobile application, which looks like this, and tap on the Get button. Wait for your application to start downloading, which will take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. SESUX mobile application is used to manage your cryptocurrency assets stored on your SESUX hardware wallets. It supports over 1,000 coins and tokens, allows sending and receiving funds, and offers various security features. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch open the app on your iPhone. And that is how you should be able to download the SESUX application on your iPhone within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.